Brian, you said this many times. The president of the United States is a real estate investor, right?
Yeah, no question. When you've got a real estate investor in the White House, like him or not, he's going to do things that are going to help, in this case, affordability, rates. It's going to help investors. We've already heard about the 40-year mortgage. I don't know if that's a great solution, but they're doing what it takes. And what you just mentioned, 200 billion, that's taking some serious steps to move things. So
No.
we may see more of a drop.
You're watching a segment from a Freedom Mentor live stream. Join us for our next live event. Go to freedommentor.com/live. I want to ask the poll of what people are feeling about 2026 real estate investing. Love to get their take on that. Someone said banning banks or firms in the future being talked about. That's right, Dan. There's some talk about preventing some of these large hedge funds from buying single family homes. And depending on the way you look at that, that's some interesting stuff. I wouldn't go down that road. It's just a little bit complicated, but there's some interesting stuff there. All right, let's hear your sentiment here. 2026, what's your general feeling? How are you feeling about 2026 real estate investing? You know, we go through this situation, Brian. 2020 hits, everybody's fearful. You and I, we're bullish. We go out there and we do a ton of deals in 2021, 22, into 23. Rates skyrocket. 24, things start to slow down. 25, definitely slow down. So where are people at in 26? Now, what's interesting to me, Brian, is going to be where people's perspective on the sentiment is. Is the sentiment based on lower interest rates? Is it based on some other policy changes that might produce better results for investors? Or is it just their overall optimism in the economy, right? I feel like people are spending money a little bit more than they have been. I feel like things are cranking up. What do you think, Brian?
No, I agree. Obviously, affordability has been a big problem for a long time. We've seen gas prices over the holidays. That was a wonderful thing to see them come down. I think we're seeing everything inch the right direction. There's a lot of question marks on the world front and so forth, of course. But overall, I think it's going a good direction. And again, because we've had so many people stuck for, a few years here, right? Interest rates aren't moving, inventories, up and down in different areas. There's a lot of folks that, the folks that we work with that are motivated sellers, they've got to do something. And we're the ones that can bring the solutions to the table. And that's why we've continued to do deals no matter what the market's doing.
We have been coaching and mentoring real estate investors for 20 years. In fact, some of America's most successful investors got their start with us. Here's what our apprentices have to say about working with us.
Freedom Mentor was probably one of the biggest blessings I've had in my life.
For us, it's been life-changing, hands down. Couldn't even think about not doing this, right? And what a missed opportunity if I had not done it.
And you can be next. Learn more about our program in the top right corner. So you can see the results, everybody. 2026 sentiment, 74% are encouraged. There's literally no one discouraged. Zero. Usually you get a couple of pessimists, right? Write into the chat why you're feeling good. What's got you feeling good about 2026 real estate? Would you like to be coached by me and my team? Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Discover how you can be mentored by us through our apprentice program by clicking above.